Hey guys, Rubia is back. To all my new subscribers, welcome to the fam, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Now let's get started in making this bomb dish. Alright guys, so let's get started on this dish. Your family's going to be begging y'all to do 24/7. It's super easy. So what we're going to use today is fettuccine, alright? Or any pasta of your liking, it's up to you. Then we have 2 cups of heavy cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, broccoli to your liking, 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, alright, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic mince, and half a 4 teaspoon of salt. Alright y'all, so let's get started on this protein. This is legit the best part of the Alfredo. So right here we're gonna add some olive oil so all them seasoning can stay and be all up on that chicken. And make sure you put some olive oil on both sides so it can be equally tasty, alright? Both sides, y'all. Equally tasty. And pat in your... Actually, you could rub in the olive oil, just pat in the seasoning. Pat in the seasoning. And now right here we're gonna add some paprika to give it some color. We're going to pat in some paprika to give it some color because we don't want no plain chicken breast. Look at that color, though. This is what gives it the best color ever. And next, we're going to get some black pepper. You can season it to your liking. It's up to you how much black pepper you want to put it on. But I legit love my stuff seasoned, so I just pack it on there because when you're cooking it, it comes off. And then some lemon pepper, my favorite. I legit put this on everything. Legit, everything you can think of. It has lemon pepper in it. And then we got some garlic powder. This one has parsley, but you guys can use any garlic powder you have. And then last but not least, oregano. Listen, if y'all Spanish, y'all know what's up with this. Like, this is the OG, literally. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to use the same seasoning used on the both sides. And remember, pat in your seasoning. I can't emphasize this enough. Like, literally, pat it in. Don't rub it. And yeah, I'm going to fast forward this and then we can get started. Alright y'all, so I also like to add lime juice to my chicken. It's totally up to you if you want to add lime juice, but it just gives it like that tenth of a flavor. I don't know, it's just so good. It's up to you. It's optional. Alright y'all, so I got some oil in this pan, and now I'm going to add my chicken. And my stove level is around 5 to 6. And we're going to place our chicken into our pan and let that saute for around 5 to 6 minutes on each side. And y'all, this is my favorite ingredient, ranch seasoning. I legit put this on everything. Like, this is going to change your life. Trust me. And yeah, we're going to cook our chicken. I'm actually going to add one more. So there we go. We're going to cook our chicken until it's ready, and then we'll be back. Alright, y'all, so now we're going to flip our chicken and cook it till it's all done. But do y'all see this bomb chicken? Look at all that color. I'm telling y'all, like, trust me. Add paprika. Look how pretty that chicken looks. And we don't like no plain chicken out here. Literally, we don't. So yeah, right y'all, we're getting excited out here. Now let's cut this bomb chicken into pieces. I don't know about y'all, but I like my chicken inside my sauce since it gives it more flavor. But it's totally up to you if you guys want it inside your sauce or out. So yeah, it's up to you. Your dish, baby. So yeah, so I'm cutting up my chicken into bite-sized pieces here. And I'm going to fast forward this so we can get started on our Alfredo sauce. Alright y'all, so this is our ingredients for our Alfredo sauce. So we have cooked broccoli, we have freshly grated Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, stick of butter, our chicken bites all cooked and done. Then we have our fettuccine heavy cream, cornstarch, yeah, that bomb thing, Italian seasoning, we have garlic mint salt, and let me tell you, this is my favorite ingredient ever. I told you, I use this on everything. We're adding this in our Alfredo sauce. Trust me when I tell you, alright? Now let's get... Okay, now we're going to add 1 stick of butter in the same pan you cooked your protein in. Now this is optional. You can use a brand new pan if you want to, but this is to get all the scrapings in the pan off. which is gonna give your Alfredo a bomb flavor. It might look burnt, y'all, but it's like, trust me, it's not gonna taste burnt. And I also added some minced garlic too to give it that garlicky taste. It's up to you. This is optional. Alright, guys, so after your butter is slightly melted, we're gonna add it in our heavy cream. Look at all that flavor and that butter. And then we're going to whisk until all the yellow is gone. It's okay if you have a little bit of yellow still. Like, it's fine. It's just butter. But, yeah, we're going to whisk. Okay, so after it's all mixed in well and there's not a lot of yellow, we are going to add in our cream cheese. Don't we love cream cheese? I have my stove on for around medium high, and now we're just going to wait till the cream cheese is slightly melted. And let me tell you guys something, this literally makes a difference. Like, I've tried chicken Alfredo without the cream cheese, and it just does not taste the same. Like, if you guys don't put cream cheese in your Alfredo, this is going to be a life changer for y'all. I'm telling you right now. Alright, y'all, now here comes the seasoning. I'm just adding in here some black pepper. You know, it's totally up to you how much you want to put in it. I like my sauce really seasoned, and that tastes good. But yeah, and now we're going to whisk, 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 baby. We're whisking, 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 and we're going to blend all that stuff in. All that good stuff, we're blending it in, you know? Next seasoning, we are adding some Italian seasoning up in here. This is literally going to give it the best taste in the whole wide world. And yeah, I'm having trouble getting this thing out, but yeah. Let's see if we can get some Italian seasoning out of this bottle, because this is literally being annoying right now. So yeah, and then we're going to whisk, whisk, whisk. Now we're going to add some salt in here. We're going to add some salt. It's up to you how much salt you want to put in. Taste it and see if you need a little more. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know the drill. So yeah, and then we're going to whisk it a little bit, and out of everything, this is literally my favorite seasoning we're adding in right now. I told you guys I use this in everything, and this is going to be a life changer in your Alfredo sauce. Like, I'm telling you, life changer. Yeah, it's up to you how much you want to put in. I say about a teaspoon at first, and then taste it, and if it needs more, then add in more. It's up to you guys. And then we're going to whisk. Okay, so here I added my freshly Parmesan grated cheese. I do have my stove on medium because I don't want my cheese to burn. And I'm just incorporating my cheese into my Alfredo sauce. And I'm whisking it in there. And I added about a cup of freshly Parmesan grated cheese. But you guys can add half a cup. I just love my Alfredo cheesy. And I know a lot of people don't like a lot of cheese. So it's up to you. It's your dish. Alright, y'all. So we have our Alfredo sauce all seasoned. And now I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch, because I love my Alfredo, you know, thick like me. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so yeah, we're adding a little bit of cornstarch, and then we're going to whisk it in. Alrighty, so I'm going to add all my chicken in here. Actually, I'm just going to add half for now and stir it in, and then I'm going to add the other half. But let me tell you, look at that sauce, though. Oh, my God. Look at that sauce. Alright, y'all. So I added my fettuccine. So now we are going to start mixing slowly, because we don't want no sauce on our kitchen floor. Because let me tell you, that ain't no fun to clean up. Anyways, look at the bomb sauce we made, though. Like, look at that sauce. It's mad saucy, because yo, ain't no one like no dry chicken Alfredo, let me tell you. So now we are going to start combining our broccoli into our Alfredo sauce, because you know we need our veggies up in here. We need our veggies. So yeah, we're gonna combine our broccoli, and then we're gonna stir it all the way till everything is combined, and then you can serve, because look at that. And that is pretty much it. People are going to be walking into your house telling y'all to make chicken Alfredo tonight like there ain't no tomorrow, alright? So simple and easy. Let me tell you, only takes like an hour. Make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, see you on my next video, y'all.